Let's get started without any delay. You can begin by tweaking a few simple settings to improve performance. First, right-click on the Windows icon and select Settings. From the left-hand menu, click on Accessibility, then go to Visual Effects. Here, you'll find the Animation Effects option, which is enabled by default. Animation effects create visual transitions when opening, minimizing, or maximizing windows. While they look nice, they can slightly affect performance. If you're focused on speed, it's better to turn this off. Below that, you'll also see transparency effects, which make some window backgrounds slightly transparent, showing parts of your wallpaper behind them. This too can be disabled for better performance. Simply toggle it off. That's it for the first step, very quick and easy. Disabling these effects should make your system feel more responsive. Now for a more advanced tweak. Right-click on the Windows icon again and select Run. Type system.cpl and press Enter. In the System Properties window, go to the Advanced tab. Under the Performance section, click Settings. This opens the Performance Options window. By default, it may be set to Let Windows choose what's best for my computer, which usually enables all visual effects. To improve performance, select Adjust for Best Performance. This will disable all visual effects. Then you can manually re-enable a few useful ones like Animate windows when minimizing and maximizing, show thumbnails instead of icons, smooth edges of screen fonts. Adjust according to your preferences, click Apply, then OK, and close everything. After making these changes, you should notice a more responsive Windows 11 experience with better overall performance. And that's all for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.